seeing are more single dimensional. They're kind of on or off.
Question, go ahead.
This is a question kind of to everybody that's presented today. You know, right now I've got this file that's got 1 million passwords in it for all these different sites. And in my browser I got, you know, tens of extensions. And then I go to another machine, or I get a brand new machine, and I got to install those extensions. Now I see this kind of possibility of having a selector that's got tens of cards, and I'm like, which ones do I have? What are they good for? Why should I turn it on or off? How, you know, is that going to be a brand new problem? It's just like, you know, so many cards lying around.
Well, right now with Azigo Lite, there's no sense of an online account. So it is sort of on each machine. It does cross browsers. So if you install it on your machine, it works on Firefox and IE. When we get to Azigo 3, or if you're using the Azigo 2 Adobe Air version, there is an online account, and all your cards are synced to that online account. So as soon as you go to a new machine and log into that account, all your cards are there. And with Azigo 3, all your data that we capture will be there as well. You know, usernames, passwords, form fill data, a whole bit.
That is the syncing problem. I guess it's still, I wonder about, like, once I get tens or hundreds of cards, like, which ones do I want to leave on or turn off?
Yeah, so one of the things that I think we need to think about is we are building applications for communities, right? And I don't think, I mean, ultimately we don't know, but I don't think that users will be participating in hundreds of communities. Truth is, they'll probably be participating in 2, 3, 4, 5 communities. So I think that some of the examples...
Write that down.
What's that?
We're going to remember those words.
Okay. So I think that some of the demonstrations today, especially when we're looking at selectors with lots and lots of cards, are more for demonstration purposes than necessarily what and how many communities people will participate in. Now, we don't really know, but I mean, those are interesting questions.
So I would disagree with Steve slightly, and just say that this is a UI opportunity.
Yeah.
I believe there is an issue there, but it's not going to happen this month or in the next 6 months. But so we have some time to think about it. But there is a UI opportunity there to wonder, how are people going to manage these cards, and what does it mean to have multiple cards? And we don't know the answer to that yet.
I guess one question would be, you know, how many songs can you manage in iTunes? Right. Not a lot. So I think we can solve it.
They're not all playing at once.
Okay, any other questions? Okay, how about a round of applause for all the presenters here?